Hi there, I'm Sunju. Today I'm going to show you how I made 3 different no-sew hair scrunchies from one vintage scarf without using any fabric glue. I highly recommend picking a scarf that has at least 2 or 3 print patterns. This is helpful so that you can easily make multiple styles of scrunchies. I included detailed measurement of each scrunchies in the description below. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started! First, iron the scarf, then fold it in half and pin along all the edges. Measure 4 inches away from the folded line and make a chalk mark. Pin along the 4-inch mark and then cut the chalk mark line. Pin along the cut line and then measure 2.5 inches away from the cut line. Chalk mark another line, cut along the new chalk line. This cut results in 2 separate pieces. Cut 1 piece in half. Cut 2 pieces from the stripe pattern that are 2.5 inch by 6.5 inch. Cut 2 pieces from the stripe pattern that are 2.5 inch by 13 inch. Cut 2 pieces from the stripe pattern that are 2.5 inch by 25 inch. To prevent any fraying, take clear, fast-dry nail polish and lightly brush it along all of the cut edges. For the regular vintage scrunchie, cut 2 pieces of iron-on tape that are 6.5 inch long and lay on the right side of each piece. Lay the right side of the matching pattern piece on top of the tape and iron for 10 to 15 seconds. Open up the seam and press with the iron. Take a piece of iron-on tape that is 5 inch long and let it along the right side of one piece. Lay the right side of the other piece on top of the tape and iron 10 to 15 seconds. Take a piece of iron-on tape that is 13 inches long and lay on the right side of the strap. Fold the fabric in half and lightly iron the strap. Use a loop turner to flip the strap inside out and iron it flat. Grab a 6-inch piece of elastic band and use a safety pin to go through the strap tunnel. Tie a knot with the ends of the elastic band. Overlap the ends of the scrunchie and place a small piece of iron-on tape to attach both ends of fabric. For the bow straps, lightly fold 1/4 inch at the ends of each bow strap and iron to make a crease. Cut a piece of iron-on tape that is 25 inches long and lay on the right side of the strap. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise and iron the top of the strap. Use a loop turner to flip the strap inside out and then iron it flat. Place a small piece of iron-on tape, overlap one end of both straps. For the bow scrunchie, cut a piece of iron-on tape that is 2.5 inch long and lay it on the right side of the bow scrunchie piece. Next, cut a piece of iron-on tape that is 26 inches long. Fold the piece over lengthwise and iron to secure. Use a loop turner to flip the strap inside out and iron it flat. Grab a 9-inch piece of elastic band and use a safety pin to go through the strap tunnel. Tie a knot with the ends of the elastic band. Overlap the ends of the scrunchie and place a small piece of iron-on tape to attach both ends of fabric. Tie a bow with a long strap to complete your DIY vintage bow scrunchie. For the vintage scarf scrunchie, cut a piece of iron-on tape that is 13 inches long and lay on the right side of the scrunchie piece. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise and iron the top of the strap. Use a loop turner to flip the strap inside out. Grab a 6 inches piece of elastic band and use a safety pin to go through the strap tunnel. Tie a knot with the ends of the elastic band. Tie a knot with the scarf tie to complete your DIY vintage scarf scrunchie. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this no-sew tutorial and inspired to make your own hair scrunchie from a vintage scarf. Please share your no-sew scrunchies and fun hairstyles with me at Instagram #MakeWithFashionWonder. Do you have any no-sew project ideas that you would like me to try next? Share your fun no-sew project ideas with me in the comment below. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!